Today, I'll be sharing with you the easiest method of making a fluffy donut. This is First Lady Kitchen. Welcome back to my channel. I have here the ingredients: 11 grams of yeast, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of vanilla essence, 2 medium eggs, 2 cups of flour, 30 grams of sugar, 2.5 grams of baking powder, 10 grams of margarine, and powdered milk for coating. In a bowl, combine yeast and half cup of water. Stir it properly, cover and let it proof. Once the yeast is well proofed, add milk, vanilla extract, and 2 eggs to the bowl. Whisk until combined. Now it is time to add all the dry ingredients. You'll start by adding 2 cups of flour, 30 grams of sugar, baking powder, 2.5 grams of baking powder, and mix everything until a dough is formed. Lastly, add margarine to the dough and knead until smooth. Cover the dough and let it double in size. About 10 minutes is okay. Before that, I just coated it with oil before covering it so that it won't stick to the plate. Once the dough is doubled in size, puff it and knead. Use your rolling pin to flatten the dough so that you can be able to cut out your donuts using donut cutter. If you don't have donut cutter, you can use any round shaped object around you. This is actually the first time I'm using this donut cutter, so I'm just giving it a try for the first time. At a point, I noticed that my donut used to get stuck at the donut cutter, so I'll give it a try some other time, but it's not giving me what I wanted. In fact, at a point, I have to rub flour at the surface of my dough to enable the dough not to get stuck. Maybe some other time we'll figure out the proper way of using this donut cutter, but as for now, I'm not getting what I wanted. So I just rub at the surface of the dough for it not to get stuck. So at this point, I actually got what I wanted. So at a point I got tired of using the donut cutter, so I have to use the round shaped object in my house to cut out the last dough. After all, it's just for my family, so I am not selling it. It's just for our own consumption. Preheat oil in a pan to medium high heat. Fry the donuts in the hot oil until golden brown, flipping as necessary. Once it's golden brown, remove the donuts from the oil and place on a paper towel lined plate to cool. Repeat these processes on the remaining donuts. And guys, I advise you place enough flour on the dough paper. I actually placed that, but it wasn't enough, and at the point when I was about frying the donut, it got stuck on the donut. So be careful when you are placing your donut on the papers. So make sure you coat the papers with enough flour so that it won't change the shape of your donut, as you can see in my video. So avoid this mistake. So guys, the donuts are well fried. You can see how fluffy, delicious, and appetizing it looks. Once cooled, coat the donuts with powdered milk and enjoy. You can also fill your donut with your favorite fillings like milk, peanut butter, and chocolate. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you have any question or would like to see more recipe, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button for more updates. Thank you guys for watching. Please enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.